Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of mine. This one's going to be a bit of a different one, because I'll be working on this laptop. I usually don't do that. Usually you see me work on graphics cards and maybe a motherboard. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to make a video on that. But yeah, I was asked to take a look at this laptop. Again, as a matter of fact, I have already worked on this previously. But this time around, it supposedly just stopped turning on and off. I have absolutely no idea. That's what I was told. But yeah, before I really do anything, I do actually want to see if what I was told is true or not. So, alright, let's see what it does. Where's my power button? There. No power. Does not turn on. So I'm just gonna take it right apart. Doesn't turn on, so not gonna waste any more time trying other things. I don't think there's more screws that need to be removed for this thing to come apart. So let me see if I can do this on camera. Oh. Well, there you go. Good thing I have more. Okay. Oh, that side's ready to go. Yep, oh, there you go. So there's screw. No, there's not. Don't do what I just did there. That's a dumb idea. Fortunately, the ribbon cables were long enough, which means that it's actually not too big of a deal right here that it just fell right off. But don't do that. Okay, here's the drive. Gonna remove that. I'm gonna have to create a image of this drive. Should just come right out. Yep, there you go. I'm just gonna plug it in again. Or did something. Oh! What the hell? it's working. So, based on the fact that I only removed the top cover, I'm assuming it's an issue with that prevents it from turning on? I'm not quite sure, honestly. Could it be that this cable just needed reseating? Because that's another thing I did. I don't know. What I'll do is I'll reattach this, the keyboard and trackpad, and see if this is what's caused my issue here. Oh, it does turn on. The hell? Are you kidding me? It's perfectly fine. Yeah, it boots into Windows. This thing's working. The hell? I did nothing. Okay, so based on its behavior, I'm assuming it was just a bad connection. I fixed it by touching it. Alright. Put all the screws back in. Then we should be ready to go. Okay. One last test. There you go. As you can see, it does turn on. Okay, that's it. Fixed. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this different video. I'm not sure how many of these videos there will be. I do want to make more content regarding overclocking and modding. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed regardless, and I wish you guys an absolutely amazing day, and I hope to see you guys again in the very next video.